Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can elevate your content creation game to the next level. We found this versatile lighting solution online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Introducing the Bauer 10-inch RGB Selfie Desktop Ring Light Stand Studio Kit. This compact yet powerful ring light is specifically designed for anyone who wants to enhance their video quality, whether you're vlogging, hosting live streams, or simply capturing moments for social media. The standout feature of this ring light is its ultra-wide angle and vibrant multicolor RGB lighting. With a selection of 9 different colors and 12 adjustable brightness levels, you can customize your lighting to perfectly match your style and mood. This means whether you're shooting indoors or outdoors, you can create a captivating and professional lighting setup that eliminates harsh shadows and highlights every detail of your appearance on camera. Another exciting aspect of the Bauer ring light is its 8 special effect modes. These dynamic lighting effects can add creative flair to your videos and help set the right mood for any type of content. Whether you're doing a makeup tutorial, a beauty and health video, or even just chatting with your audience, these effects enhance the visual appeal and keep your viewers engaged. The kit doesn't just stop at lighting, it comes with a universal phone holder and a versatile tripod. The tripod features a 360-degree ball head, allowing you to adjust the light to your optimal angle for the best illumination. The included phone clip fits most smartphones securely, providing you with a hands-free experience for seamless content creation. This setup is perfect for those who want to focus solely on their content without worrying about holding their phone or adjusting their lighting mid-shoot. In terms of convenience, the Bauer ring light is powered by USB, which means you can easily connect it to various devices, from laptops to power banks. This feature ensures that you have hassle-free setup and continuous use, making it ideal for long recording sessions or live streams. Plus, the inline remote control allows you to adjust the color, brightness, and effects effortlessly, giving you full creative control over your lighting while you film. What's more, this ring light is compact and portable. Its design makes it easy to set up and take down, which is perfect for those who are always on the go. Whether you're traveling for work, attending events, or simply moving around your home, you can easily transport this ring light and set it up wherever you need. So, who is this product suitable for? The Bauer 10-inch RGB ring light is perfect for content creators, beauty enthusiasts, vloggers, live streamers, and anyone who wants to improve their online presence with high-quality lighting. If you're someone who frequently engages with an online audience, this ring light can enhance your videos and make you stand out. In practical use cases, imagine setting up this ring light for a makeup tutorial where the vibrant colors can highlight the products you're using, or perhaps during a live Q&A session where good lighting can make your interactions feel more personal and engaging. Even if you're just making video calls or chatting with friends, having the right lighting can make a significant difference in how you come across. In conclusion, the Bauer 10-inch RGB Selfie Desktop Ring Light Stand Studio Kit is a versatile and essential tool for anyone serious about content creation. With its array of features and user-friendly design, it can truly elevate your video quality and help you shine in front of the camera. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.